and 6 drops of clear base gels. Okay, so I'm gonna do what I'm going to do is to apply the top coat first. Here for 60 seconds. And I am going to use a silver weaver gel. I have it right here. Stow it up really well. This is the Weaver Gel Shimmering Silver. I'm so obsessed with this color as well because we're gonna do on that and see how it's gonna turn out. And can I get the 2 colors, the pigment? I'm gonna have to move this if you don't mind. I'm gonna do it again and promise. Yeah, good. Purple and yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah. So I am going to using my Cool Simple Techniques. That's using my toothpicks, but I tape them all together. They're so shrinking, they're not going anywhere, which is that awesome because that's what we want. Great. I am going to just key it for 15 seconds only. Look cool. Silver. Just get 4. Last time I got 4, and you can do 5, you can do 6. How many strokes you want, you can use that and draw the strings really fast. I didn't know it came in silver. Yes, it came in silver too. It's have whites in silver. We'll go over time. You know how long is we have left? Okay, so now I'm just using this. I need to another piece of paper here. You can do silver too. And, oh cool though. Oh nice. It's almost done?
You got 5-10 minutes.
Okay. I really want to show silver, but if I put this on, it will cover my silver, but it's okay. At least you ladies get to see a silver. I want something pink.
Leave silver in the middle.
Leave silver in the middle?
Color bottom.
Okay. And we can do this. We will leave silver in the middle, you're right. And that's it. Just leave it like that. See how it turned out. And now we're gonna using condensed glue gels, and we will add really cool metal piece on it. But then this time we don't have to use a lot. Just right hand, two of them. Okay, we can do both of them at the same time.
Yeah, I need one beat.
Oh, so cool though. And we are going to apply all and tie the nails. Great. And no white top coat. It looks nice to see a transparent nails, like clear glass nails. Okay. Close the condensed glue gels. And I'm doing 2 of this. This is so beautiful. I have this quite a lot of time on my nails. I really obsess with this. How's this gonna go? No, it's not. It just need to be up a little bit.
You want flash here?
Nope. Good. Ta-da! That's it.
There you go.
Rose gold. And I'm using one of the arrows from that. Does that?
You have N.
Is N?
Yeah, you're back. Say hello.
Hello. I'm back again. This now is cool though. Hello everyone, this is me, Nancy again. I'm still here. I'm excited. This is the last nails, but it's so cool. There are lots going on with these nails. But I really obsesses with this because there are 2 pieces. Do you have the clients, ever have the clients that have that like have metallics art like this, and she's also want a crystal on her nails because she want that like have a cool like antique look, but she also wants some crystals on it. Here you go. This is nails for you, so you can fulfill her request. Okay, let me move it because I have move just a little bit up. There you go. I always place them really closer and tight together. Let me see. Sorry, I miss you like on the spot. Okay. Great, so I'm gonna gear this for 60 seconds. Put both the beads in right here and then I will gear it. Make sure you keep the clients like rock their fingers back and forth and see the final look. I'm gonna put some where my little baby right there. Sorry. If you want to add on, you can. I just did so you can see that's a option for you to do it. You know, great. Here for 60 seconds. It's different for design that I usually do. It's so different. Good. Keep it straight so it won't cook it. I love this one. We did really good today, ladies. And let me see if I miss any of your, of course I bet I miss a lot of question or saying it or stuff that I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna take a picture and I'll do that once the, what is that, the dream catcher for you ladies. This different, like everyone is like today, it's just like, it's kind of, what do you call this, exotic design?
Yes, sure.
Dramatic, and like a black theme. Thanks so much, the real booty star. Thank you so much, sweetie. Bonka, hello. Okay, great. So I'm gonna do is precision glue on this. Let me do this, let me move this. I should use a set on my nails. I say that all the time. I wish I had more than 10 fingers so I can do more. Precision glue to really like double secure this. You know what? Seeing I'm using this, it just makes me feel so good. I feel like I can sleep better because I don't have to worry about clients like Abby, or if the next day you call and they say, Nancy, it's come off, or it's catching my hair so much, it's come off. Can you fix it? Now I don't have to do. I won't see the clients. I mean, the most of them, or until the next 3 or 4 weeks, or longer. So I'm just filling the gaps and all the gap and the cracks between the crystals. So then will really help. What it does is blending in right in the gap, cracks, and it filling that. So then that's way it won't not catching in the client's hair, their clothes, anything that was thinking of touching it. Great. So I'm gonna keep it for 60 seconds and this nail done. Like this is look background is dark, and you have an onyx swan. The centerpiece is black dark, but it have a really super cute, super dramatic crystals